Hi and welcome back to another review. Today we're looking at a product that we've purchased from CN Fans. For those of you who do not know what CN Fans is, it's agent buying. And basically what you do is you find the products that you want, you order them, and then the agent does all the legwork for you. They go and they find the product, they source it, they get it into a warehouse, they then send you some photos of the products, and you can either approve it or decline it. If you decline it, they'll ask you the reason why. It could be that there's something slightly wrong with it, and they will then source another one. If you approve it, it then gets put through to their warehouse, and then they will box it up, and then they will confirm the postage cost for you. So you only pay the exact price of the item and the exact weight of the parcel. If that does sound interesting and you are interested in looking at CN Fans, then check out the description of this video because I do have a referral code. If you sign up using that referral, I will then get some additional credits on the CN Fans website, which then means I can continue buying products and doing the reviews on this channel. There's also a discount code. If you're to enter it, you can save yourself some money as well. So this shirt is a Supreme shirt, and it comes in a Supreme bag, and it is annoying me that the logo is that way around and the bag is this way around. They could have put it in the other way, would have made it just a little bit easier on the eye. What I'm going to do then is get this bag open. We'll have a look at the shirt from CN Fans. So all the information for CN Fans and some spreadsheets with products on there will be in the description of this video. If you do enjoy this content, hit the like button and also share the video. Let's get this bag open and we'll have a look at this Supreme t-shirt. Okay, we've got it out of the bag. What I will show you first is you actually get a Supreme bag in the bag. So it's just a plain white bag with Supreme on it. I've dropped it now. But here we have the t-shirt. So it is a standard black t-shirt with the Supreme emblem, and it's been printed into the material. It does feel relatively smooth, no real concerns there. The t-shirt itself is just a plain black t-shirt. Nothing overly fancy about the t-shirt at all. Stitching all looks tidy. We've got a couple of hairs on it. This is fresh out the bag as well, so yeah. A lot of creases because the shirt's not been worn or been washed or anything. This is fresh out the bag and I'm recording it, so it's the first time I have seen it. So give you a close-up look of the Supreme logo. Nothing else to call out on the front. Just show you the collar line. Just a standard t-shirt. So we're onto the back, and nothing at all on the back. It is just the plain black t-shirt. You see the stitching, obviously they've cut the stitch in there where you've got the tag on the inside. It is mad the cost, or the cost of these t-shirts from the retail store. I just had a quick look and wow, they range anywhere. I think the most expensive one that I see was about £200. That's probably more expensive, I don't know. It's probably, and I'm sure there's definitely cheaper ones out there. But there's nothing really on these t-shirts apart from that Supreme logo on the front, which is absolutely mad that people spend the money on it. But yeah, it is just a plain black t-shirt on the outside. Lots of creases because it hasn't been worn, and it is from the bag. But yeah, from CN Fans, I paid nowhere near that amount. The cost of this t-shirt was about £12 actually. And with postage on top, it obviously does add up because I did buy quite a few items from there. But £12 for this, pair of trainers 20 odd quid, a couple of football shirts are about £10 to £15. It becomes a bargain then. So yeah, we'll flip it around and we'll take a look at the inside as well. Okay, we're now on the inside. I do wonder if this is just a standard black t-shirt that Supreme logo has been printed on. Got quite a few loose cottons up there. Under the arm there's some as well, but that's not obviously going to affect anything because the stitching is okay. It's just that excess cotton. You have your washing instructions down here. Recommendation, same as the football shirts, flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. The first time I wash this, it will be on its own. I wouldn't put it in with any other items in case anything runs. Again, additional cotton under that arm. I'm going to get some scissors on that because that's going to annoy me, so those will be chopped off. Where the Supreme logo is here, so nice and smooth, no creases. So that has been printed into the material really quite nicely and really well, so no concerns there. What we'll do is we'll flip it over and we'll have a look at the final inside of the shirt now. Okay, it's the final part of the inside of the shirt. Collar line, just a standard collar line. You do have a Supreme logo, size XL. And again, here's the information for washing it. Machine wash with light colours, tumble dry medium. See, I wouldn't put it in a tumble dryer at all. I always let these shirts just hang dry. And you also get a Supreme tag there attached to the one around the collar. Stitching all looks okay. Nothing really to call out on the side because, as I said, it is just a plain black t-shirt. The hemline all looks fine. Stitching looks okay. Nothing fantastic, nothing spectacular. It's just normal stitching. There seems to be quite a few loose cottons, but like I said, for the price that you pay for these items, what would you rather do? Spend £200 or like up to £15 off of CN Vans? I know which one I would rather do. Nobody's going to notice it when you've got it on there. The print looks absolutely perfect. So yeah, no qualms from me. Alright, and there is our Supreme t-shirt from CN Fans. For those of you who do not know what CN Fans is, it's an agent buy-in website. You basically find the products that you want using a spreadsheet or a search engine. You then put the link into CN Fans and you make the purchase on their website. It then goes off to an agent who goes and does all the buying for you. So they source the products, they then take them into their factory where they take photos of them, which you then get to see, and you can either approve it or reject it. If you reject it, they'll ask you the reason why, and then they'll go and order some more. If you approve it, it then goes through to the delivery suite. And at that point, that's when you find out how much your postage is. So when you use someone like CN Fans, you're better off buying more than one item because the postage is then cheaper because you've got more items in there. They charge you the exact weight for the items, so you never overpay. I will leave in the description a referral link to CN Fans for myself. If you use that when you sign up, it helps me out. It just gives me some credit on their site, which means I can then continue to buy these sort of products and show you them. There's also a discount code which will then save you some money off of shipping. So definitely worth looking at both of those if you're interested. If you do have any questions or comments around CN Fans or anything that you've seen on here, please drop that below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you have enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. So to give you that final look of the Supreme t-shirt from CN Fans. Plain, simple, expensive if you buy the branded one, but the cost of this one, absolutely spot on. Can't fault it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.